A big hello to all our lovely crafters and welcome back to this week's weekly giveaway. Oh my dear, it is freezing here in the UK. I hope you're keeping warm. I hope you've got your hats, your scarves, your gloves and all those woolly coats to keep you really warm. And don't forget, be very careful out on the ice. Before I give you this week's freebie, let me show you a short tutorial all about our fabulous freebie vault. Enjoy. Now crafters, it's on to the main event, this week's free weekly giveaway. Woohoo! Look at this stunning floral mini kit designed by our exclusive designer Elaine Hayhoe. It comes with 3 sheets to make this beautiful card. You also get 2 cute tags and you can stick these on your prezzies. Now, without further ado, I'm going to hand you over to our resident demonstrator, Anne-Marie, who will show you how to make this wonderful card. Over to you, Anne-Marie. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to this episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftshoeprint.com. In this episode, we're going to be looking at a gorgeous kit by Elaine Hayhoe. The cup number is Cup 9153/72307. The kit is called Birthday Anemones Mini Kit. You get 3 sheets and the kit front in the kit. The first sheet that you get is the main base image for your card front, and this is for an 8x8 card. You also get a mini gift tag as well on that sheet. The second sheet is the decoupage for the card front. So we've got the base image for the first layer, the extra label and the florals to be added to create a gorgeous 3D effect. And the last sheet is the insert panel for the card and another extra gift card. So I'd like to show you how to put everything together to create Elaine's card. The first thing that we've got is an 8x8 blank card. Now I've actually made this myself, so I know it's a true 8x8 size card. And I'm going to start off and I'm going to add the insert panel first. So I've actually cut out the insert panel and I've got double-sided tape on the back of it. And I'm simply going to peel the tape away. And I'm going to add this to the inside of our card. And we can add this through the centre. There we go. And press it down. And the insert panel says, especially for you, happy birthday. And that looks so pretty. So now we can build the front up. And it's going to match perfectly to the inside. So I've taken the main base image from the kit and I've simply got flat tape on the back of this. You could add 3D foam for the base layer, but I've decided to go with just flat tape for this, and that's flat double-sided adhesive tape. There we go. And I think if you look in Crafty Bob's Pound Shop, there is some double-sided tape in there. Okay, so that's our base image onto the front of our card. So next I've taken the larger image from the decoupage sheet. I've added 3D foam on the back of it, and I'm going to position this over the front of the image on the card front. And this is going to build our first layer. And there we go, press it down. Next, I've taken the flowers. Now what I've done for the flowers, where I've cut them out, the flowers that are going to be on show, I've just added a little bit of glitter around the edge of the centre of the anemone, and then I've added some glossy accents just to give them a little bit extra, just a little bit of an extra embellishment. So I can add the flowers. I don't know if I mentioned they're on 3D foam as well. And you simply, after cutting them out, you're going to marry up the pattern from the front of the card and just layer them together, and then we're building up the image like so, just nice and simply adding the layers as we go. And this is the last flower, and again it's got the glossy accents and a little bit of the glitter just around the centre. And then to finish the card off, we've got the extra label that again is on 3D foam with the sentiment on, especially for you. There we go. And that's our card finished. Such a beautiful card. The inside matches perfectly to the outside. Elaine also included 2 little gift cards with the kit, so you can use these for your present, or you could add them one to the back of the card if you take the front of it away and just add it with maybe your handmade stamp or your you know, just with your name, so that whoever receives the card knows that you've made it especially for them. So I do hope you've enjoyed watching. I want to give you Elaine's kit number again, and please check out all of her beautiful designs. The cup number is 915318_72307. So I'd just like to say thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next episode.
Thank you, Anne-Marie. That was very helpful. And thank you, Elaine Hayhoe, for supplying this week's freebie. Don't forget to find and follow Elaine next time you visit Crafts You Print. Okay, that's it from me this week. Remember to click on the Crafty Bob and subscribe and share and share and share and share some more. See you next week. Bye-bye. One way is to go to the Crafts You Print website. Click on the free stuff at the top. Click here to get your freebie. Next, scroll down and enter your email address here. Then confirm your email and click Submit. We will then send you your fun freebie. If you don't have a printer, or if you're having trouble downloading from your mobile device, don't worry, Crafty Bob will print the sheets for you for free. Simply click on the Add to Cart button here and check out in the normal way. A small postage charge will be added, and every printed weekly giveaway will receive a free £3 craft gift. Another way to get your freebie is from your dashboard. Let me log in. After you log in, click on Freebies, bottom left. Then click on Weekly Giveaway. You can download your freebie here by clicking on Click here to download.